Most businesses cost tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to start. For example, a restaurant can easily cost over $100,000 just to open the doors, and then the payroll, utilities, and lease may make it so expensive that you never see a profit. A franchise can cost more than $1 million just to get your foot in the door, so you can tap into a well-known company's business model and pay for the licensing and operations of that business. And there are tons of other businesses that you can look into that will cost somewhere between those numbers. Sure, you can take out loans and try to plan for success properly, but with that much money, you put yourself at a big risk, and it could take years to pay back a loan on a business that keeps bleeding you dry. On the other hand, you could start an Amazon FBA business that may cost somewhere between $5,000 to $20,000 to start, has no physical location to rent, no real utilities or payroll to account for, and learn how to operate a business on a much smaller scale to reduce the risk of being in debt to loans for the next 10 or more years probably. If you haven't heard of this type of business before, don't worry. I created a free training that runs you through the basics all the way to finding your first products and learning how to actually market them on Amazon. I've helped thousands of sellers since 2013 start, grow, and scale an Amazon FBA business to earn sustainable income even while working a full-time job. Can I guarantee that you succeed? Absolutely not. But the training is free, and if you've looked into this business model before, I bet you're going to see how this sets you up for success better than anything you've seen to date. Go ahead and click the link to reserve your spot.